Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a waterfall chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to prepare a waterfall chart. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option. Now I am select the all chart. Then go to the waterfall option and select the waterfall chart, click OK. Now we can see we prepare a waterfall chart easily. You can rename the chart titles. Click inside and select the title, then rename this. Otherwise you can change the exist series color or exist and more than effect style. Select the chart, go to the chart design menu, click the drop down menu and choose any style of chart. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the chart. Otherwise you can change the layout of the chart easily. You can add any element or add any series or another. Now we can see we prepare a waterfall chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.